Alright, Bastilian Codis, and I'm in a new area which looked pretty squatchy to me. There's a lot of leaners here. See these three? There's three of them going up to the same tree. Let me come closer. You got that big brown one and these two, all three in the same area, right up there. Damn it. Three trees pointing in the same section of a tree. These are some huge down trees. Look at the wow, look at this. The ball of the root ball. Look at that. That's you see what that is? That's a military ammunition container. I don't know if I should touch it. I don't think I should. It might be a booby trap, but it goes all the way up. Might be Bigfoots are using demolitions now. I'm only joking, you know that. But this is really a squatchy looking place. There's so many leaners here. Trees down. Look at this. See all that? Everywhere you look, there's trees down. Do they push them down, or do they fall naturally? It's not for me to say. Look at this. Everywhere I go, there's trees down. Everywhere. You gotta excuse me. I always put my camera in zoom and then I leave it in zoom, forgetting to bring it back to, you know, normal. Look, everywhere, trees down. I don't know if it means anything, but that's for you to decide. And they're all brought down from the root ball. I've never seen another area where there was so many trees down like this. Look at this. This looks crazy. These what would you call them, leaners? And look up there, there's a fork with a branch going through it. Oh, that might have been part of that piece there. You see that? Some monster trees in this area. This is definitely an old woods forest. Crazy. Seems to be crazy anyway. More trees from the root ball down. Pushed down. Humongous trees. Look at that tree. It's huge. It goes all the way up. And leaning against the tree up there. It's a fork. It's a fork of a tree. I don't think they can push something like that over. That must be natural. Look at this monster. This is an old tree. God. I don't know what kind of a tree it is, but it is old. Look at it. How far it goes over. I hear a creek running. Old forest. Okay, I'll get back. Those are not maple leaves, so I don't know what kind of tree they are. That's the only kind of leaf I know, like these over here. These are maples. I can tell a maple leaf, but the rest of them, an oak leaf I also can tell. But they don't have oak trees up here. I don't know why. That would be more food for the creatures, you know what I'm saying? I can't cross over the creek from here because the creek runs about 25-30 feet down. I'll show you. See that? Look how far down it is. There's the creek. The crick, as they say up here. The crick. And look how it goes down. Like on an 80-degree angle. I'm not going down there, that's for damn sure. But you look around, look at these trees, you could see how it's an old forest, you know. Look at this monster tree ahead of me. It is huge. You can tell by the bark it's hundreds of years old. And this one here, another oldie. Oldie but goodie. Alright, I don't think I can find anything else over here because I can't cross over that creek. Creek. You know. So that'll be it for now. Until another day. Take care, everybody. Hopefully you can see this. Where are you? It looks like someone was stomping around over here. But where's the footprint I just saw? Damn it, where are you? It's next to my foot. There's my foot. Yeah, that's it right there. Look at it, it's about 4 inches bigger than my foot with my boot on. And there looks like there's more on this side. Whether they're the man with the Bigfoot's footprints, I don't know. I know they're not mine. And I know people don't come down here. Especially the past 3 days we had those torrential downpours. Unbelievable. Every couple of minutes, and they even called you on the phone to warn you about this, about the rain. Flash flooding. Alright. I'm walking through spider web. Yeah. See that? Big root ball. Trees balls. You know, trees have balls, yeah. They call them root balls, but they're actually balls. They're testicles of the tree. So these must be all males. Don't believe what I say, please. If I'm bullshitting you, I'll tell you I am. Alright. Have a good day. I don't hear nothing. It's so quiet. So quiet. Not even a bird chirping. But I made a big thing about people saying there's no birds. That's 'cause it's almost midday and the birds, I noticed from my house, a lot of the birds took off wherever they go. Maybe they went down south already. But you don't hear them singing in the morning like they used to. I know the cardinals, I had cardinals nesting in my lilac bushes. They're not there anymore. The only ones I hear occasionally are blue jays. Alright. Have a good day. Look at here, getting closer to my car. And right there, next to that little weed, the green one, is a footprint. Another footprint. I'm going to put my foot in it. You see? It goes up, down, up, and then down. I don't see any toe marks or anything. So I don't know what to tell you. Looks like a footprint to me. What's this? Another footprint? Maybe not. I can't tell. Okay. Okay, walking back to the car, I just noticed this. It's a big X. And this isn't, well, I was gonna say Colorado isn't the only place they make X's. They make them everywhere they live. What they mean is, who knows? Colorado Bigfoot thinks they're territorial markers, but I don't know. Alright, that's it. If I had more time, I would have went in this direction where I'm pointing. And then there's another X there. You see it? Right in the center of the camera. Another X. But I don't know how much time I have, and I have no more batteries. I have to go get some more batteries today. Okay. So long.